going on, guys? Jake Sanders from the Beefy Built YouTube channel. Today we are at Broken Nut Off-Road Park. We got Luke with his 4Runner behind us. And then we got my buddy George, who was in my last video from Uwari, in his Sc300. And then I think my buddy Sean and his Trailblazer, I think he's gonna meet us out here. So we're just getting here, getting signed in, paying for our entry and everything. We'll catch up to you guys once we're aired down and about to go hit the trails. George and his boys just left me. I was trying to get all set up. George is waiting up here. This place is really wet and really muddy today, so we'll see how it does. It should be interesting. This is soupy. And look sideways. Oh, my car is going to be disgusting. Hi.
My buddy got antsy waiting on me and got a little ahead of us.
Yeah.
That way's a no-no. I broke the wheel off down there last time.
Okay.
Broke the wheel off, don't mean I'm good. Yeah, no, you might not break the wheel off, but I broke the wheel off that way, so I'm not gonna go that way.
I know I'll break a wheel off if I go that way.
You might break a wheel off that way. This way's okay. I almost fell in a drink on this side, but that side was just fine. I'm just trying to figure out which way he went.
Damn, that's deep. George sent it. Went through a little bit of a mud hole that we couldn't tell how deep it was. Turns out it's pretty deep.
I also daily drive it. It's Pageland legal, but for a drive like this, I want to make sure I can get my most out of it, you know? Where you guys from, man? I'm in Columbia. It's only about an hour. It went bad.
So they both got stuck going through that mud pile, so I'm not gonna go through that little water mud bowl thing. I'm just gonna go down through here and see if I can meet back up with them on the other side. I think once I'm ready to take the CRV all the way apart, we're gonna take it out here and send it off one of these jumps and see how bad I can collapse the suspension on it. It'll be interesting. And then we'll have Luke drag me home.
Yeah. Hold on, flip your hair a little bit like.
Majestic. So, this thing, solid ripper. Got stuck once, but that hole was ridiculous. Did you hit something? The bumper's tweaked.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you see how hard he went into that hole? Into the mud, I mean.
It might have, yeah.
So I was thinking about you going backwards through the hole, and as deep as it was on the back,
Yeah.
and that would have been the front.
Yeah.
Just
well,
like
I just laid on the throttle now because I know what's on the other side.
coast,
Yeah.
kind of bounce over it.
Yeah,
Just over the
just
center
skip
point,
it.
that's good. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
It's like a rock.
Yeah, like
Could
a
do
rock.
kaboom.
We should put skid plates all across the bottom so it helps it skip.
I got everything but the transpan.
Put a stinger or something on
A stinger. Yeah, that's.
it. Put like a fucking bottom stinger on it.
The water was all the way up in the force up here. am in very much a predicament. Bro, are you kidding me? I told you guys that all-wheel drive sucked dick. Hook me back up.
If my buggy can do it, your Honda can do it.
I sure hope so. Took long enough.
The welder, I'm a dumbass.
That thing's sick.
Yeah, that thing's fucking phenomenal.
Damn. There you go. Hell yeah. Oh, my leg.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got pelted with a rock. Oh!
Oh, whoa.
No. I have one axle that does
more
something
horsepower than I do.
with less gearing.
Go straight back.
You gonna hit that tree?
Yep, there you go.
Yep.
There goes my chip. There goes your chip.
It's a steep hill.
We don't need to tell that's where I'm going.
Nah.
Many hours later.
Hell yeah!
Just cause we can, baby. Just cause we can.
We're just doing some mosquito repellent.
What?
ain't got one about bugs.
Nope. Ain't gotta worry about no bugs. It don't smell like Jacob's Quest no more.
Hey. Whole other day. You just wanted to rut it out for me to make it a little bit more difficult, huh?
Damn right. It'll leave it easier for the next guy.
I'll unhook you. Oh, Luke's got you. Stop, 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 stop. You're running over it. All right, you're good. That's all I got.
No, that was it. That's all you needed.
Holy fuck.
Oh, shit. Said put it, drop, go.
Up. You're gonna have to go in it when he puts it in reverse. You're gonna go up the hill. Y'all gotta work together.
All right.
Hold your wheel this way when you get up the hill. All right, come on, 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 come on. Hold it. Don't let out. Don't let out. Don't let out.
I don't have the gearing. That's what I'm saying. I don't have the gear.
You got it.
Alright, so pretty much done with the day. George's SC kicked ass like always. And we both had to get pulled up the last hill. That thing was just steep and slick. It was a little bit much. Luke's already left. He took the 4Runner and got out of here. He's going to get food. I might stop at a friend's house on the way home because he lives down this way. CRV did good and didn't break anything, luckily. So I get to drive it home. For once, finally driving home. This thing, sick as fuck. Ninja 600, got a broken axle, but I mean, it is what it is. That's what happens when you put down probably 3 times, 4 times as much power as what they were supposed to have factory. But I need to build something like this very soon. I want to jump stuff. I want to jump stuff bad. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe if you care for it. And yeah, we'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna go wash this thing because it's disgusting.